Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'd like to take a little bit of time and show you our brand new 2014 Primetime Sanibel. This is a model 3501. It's got the nice colored outside, hides the bugs, hides the dirt and road grime. This has got 6-point hydraulic leveling jacks that are automatic. You just push a button. Very aerodynamic front cap. It's got the cover over the hitch pin to keep that looking nice for a long time. Nice big slides. Lots of storage. Okay, all you got to do to level this thing is be able to hit auto level, and then 6 hydraulic jacks go down and auto level it for you. Really nice feature. All your poles are in here. Really nice to have all of your, and you have heat coming right into this area. Battery disconnect, all your cable, satellite, all your utilities right there. There's some more of those automatic hydraulic jacks. Water heater. More slides. It's got an enclosed heated underbelly. Nice cap on the back with a ladder. Another slide. It's got the Dexter Axles. Just want to point out those aluminum rims. Nice black automatic awning. Outside speakers. Spot for you to mount a TV. And then you got your AM/FM CD player right up there. Nice aluminum construction. Tie downs in the storage for a generator or something heavy that you don't want moving around. Also want to point out, don't know if you'll see it, but there's shocks. Not just the old-fashioned leaf springs, but you got shocks as well. Okay, now as we go in this camper, I just want to point out that it weighs 12,652 pounds. Next thing I want to point out is my favorite feature, a full-size garbage can. And I know that sounds like nothing, but when you're in it, it makes a difference. All your controls are right here. Just want to point out that it's got tank heaters. Great storage. Beautiful pantry. Solid surface countertops. Central vacuum. And a really big deal is a residential refrigerator with 20 cubic feet of storage in it. We've got an 800 watt inverter to run this when you're on the road. Just a great thing. Let me open this up so you can actually see. Beautiful residential refrigerator. Okay, next thing. Let's focus on the rest of the kitchen. You got your big microwave there. Lots of lights. Very attractive. High-rise faucet. Pull-out sink. Solid surface countertop covers as well. Then you've got your table. Nice big windows. I want to point out a few things over here. Hydraulic front leveling. This has got a 2-year warranty, a 40,000 watt furnace, and just huge R values. Nice table and chairs. These open up for storage right here. There's a leaf for this table right hidden right there. You got a very comfortable couch. Plenty of storage up above it. The air conditioner is recessed, so it's quieter and more efficient. Plenty of storage. Nice lane furniture. Recliners. Comes with the 5th chair that you could use at the table or use at your desk. Got the fireplace. Nice TV. Sony speakers. There's that ceiling fan. Lots of storage. Just a great floor plan. Now we'll go up front. Just want to show you the master bath here. Toilet with tons of knee room. Adult size shower. Nice medicine cabinet. Sink. A lot of storage right in the corner here as well. Okay, now as we go into the bedroom, you got your king size mattress. Plenty of storage up front. And you got your second air conditioner that's recessed to make it quiet and to make it more efficient as well. Then you got another TV up front and just tons of dresser drawers. Let me just open these up here. Okay, washer dryer prep. Nice, deep. Dresser drawers up there as well. Almost feels like a walk-in closet. Okay, now let's go get another shot of that living room. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at beautiful Bullion RV. If you have any questions about this 3501 Sanibel, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to working with you on this special purchase.